What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace, and we're going to be conversing today. I am using some scissors and a box cutter and some contact paper to cover a few things in my master bedroom that I'm just tired of looking at. The first thing that I'm covering is the breaker box. The breaker box is ugly, but it has to be there. It absolutely has a use, but is an eyesore. And trying to keep with the theme of my room, the whites and the rose golds, and the warm blues. I just could not close my door at night and lie in my bed and look at this breaker box panel again. So I ordered some contact paper from Target. It was $5.99 and it has quite a bit on the roll. So I started off by covering the door of the breaker box first, and I wanted to make sure it had as few air bubbles as possible. So I'm doing a lot of rubbing. Now, the issue with this breaker box panel is the door has grooves in it. So it does require a little extra work to get it smooth. And ultimately it wasn't all the way smooth, but I chose marble to camouflage that. If I had gone with a solid color, you would be able to see all the bumps and stuff. I wanted it to look as cute as possible, something inexpensive, but also something that would last during the time that I stayed here. I love that if something gets on here, if it gets dusty, I can wipe it off just with a damp cloth. Contact paper is really, really good for that. So about halfway through, I realized I was going to have to cut into some little grooves if I wanted this to look nice. I used my scissors and cut some little tabs off, and really took my time to work this in and fold the corners and fold the edges as neatly as possible. So when I looked at it, I could be proud of it. At this point, I had gotten some contact paper stuck on my shirt. That's how hard I was working. After doing the panel and cutting the edges and just stuffing the pieces in the corners, I did the top and the bottom. I knew I was going to have some overlapping, but because this is marble, you can't really tell once it's all done. I did the top first. I did let it overlap underneath the door of the panel, and then I did the bottom and the sides. I rubbed this for quite some time, and at the end I still had some bubbles. I'll probably go back over it one more time, but then I did my table. It started off white and it has gotten dirty, and I just added some marble. It looks so nice. Thanks for watching this episode. Have a good day.